Hello everybody and welcome to Luxury Benefits channel. My name is Sviatoslav and today we will talk about tomatoes, blackcurrant, apples and onions and their beneficial effect on the eyes. Tomatoes. Tomatoes contains sugars, mainly fructose and glucose, mineral salts such as iodine, potassium, phosphorus, boron, magnesium, sodium, manganese, calcium, iron, copper, zinc. Tomatoes rich in a whole range of vitamin B2, B6, C, E, K, P, and beta-carotene. Tomatoes contain organic acids. 2 glasses of tomato juice replenish the daily need for vitamin C and A, which is very good for the eyes. Potassium improves heart function. The tomato also contains the powerful antioxidant lycopene. Processed tomatoes have even more lycopene than raw, and it's better absorbed in the presence of fat. Lycopene inhibits the oxidation process, bad cholesterol, and thus prevents the risk of heart disease and stroke. Lycopene improves brain function. In addition to ready-made serotonin, which is often called the hormone of happiness, in tomatoes also contain tyramine, an organic compound that turns into serotonin already in the body. Thanks to this, tomatoes improve mood and in stressful situations work as an antidepressant. Tomatoes have an antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties due to the content of phytoncides. Tomatoes are very beneficial for the digestive system. They contain organic acids, improve digestion and metabolism. In addition, tomatoes are low in calories, 23 kilocalories per 100 grams, and the chromium included in their composition contributes to faster saturation and prevents bouts of hunger. That is why they are used to normalize metabolism and for weight loss. In chemical composition, it resembles aspirin, which reduces the likelihood blood clots in blood vessels. Tomatoes help preserve vision and prevent changes in the retina of the eyes. Tomatoes protect the body from the harmful effect of solar radiation. Tomatoes intended for juicing should not be overripe, damaged or moldy. High-quality tomato juice shouldn't be transparent. Tomatoes picked and sorted according to the degree of ripeness are truly washed in running water, grind and squeezed into a juice. Tomato juice should be drunk 20-30 minutes before meals, as it increases the readiness of the stomach and intestines to digest food. The addition of salt reduces the healing properties of juice. Instead of salt, you can add chopped garlic and fresh herbs, dill, parsley. Tomato juice is drunk in its pure form, as well as mixed with apple, pumpkin and lemon juices. Tomato juice is contraindicated for exacerbation of gastritis. Blackcurrant. Blackcurrant berries contain vitamin C, B1, B2, P, provitamin A, carotene, K, E, sugars, pectin, essential oils, organic acids, also rich in magnesium, potassium, calcium, sodium, iron and phosphorus. Leaves of blackcurrant contain phytoscience, magnesium, manganese, sulfur, silver, copper, essential oil and vitamin C. To provide the daily requirement for ascorbic acid is enough for a person to eat 15-20 berries. Blackcurrant has the ability to prevent cancer and protect against diseases of the cardiovascular system. It prevents the weakening of mental abilities in elderly people. Blackcurrant berries have the ability to prevent the onset of diabetes, protect against diseases of the heart and blood vessels, and for a long time maintain visual acuity. Eating berries is extremely beneficial for atherosclerosis. Blackcurrant has anti-inflammatory and disinfectant properties. Blackcurrant juice helps weakened patients. Fresh blackcurrant juice is used for healing of gastric diseases. Decoctions of blackcurrant berries helps with hypertension, bleeding gums, gastritis. You can also combine freshly squeezed blackcurrant juice with honey for pressure reduction in hypertension. Apples. Apple juice contain a minimum amount of calories, helps to remove kidney stones, contains a lot of iron, and it's useful for anemia. Apples themselves are rich in pectin that can cleanse the body from toxins. High pectin content ensures normal intestines function, and vitamin C, potassium, and magnesium have a beneficial effect on the endocrine system of the body. With hypertension, obesity, diseases of the gallbladder, you can drink half cup of apple juice 15 to 30 minutes before meals. Apple juice is a great remedy for stomach problem caused by excess fatty or spicy foods. Apple juice is useful for people with frequent bronchitis, lung problems, smokers. To improve the functioning of the respiratory system, you need to drink 1 glass of apple juice a day. Apple juice is indispensable for a variety of diets and fitness. Apples must be washed and rinsed before consuming. You can mix apple juice with other juices. Carrot, orange. Fresh, sweet and sour apples are recommended for gastritis with low acidity. Abuse of apple juice can lead to increased acidity in the stomach and can also stress the heart and kidneys. Therefore, many nutritionists and gastroenterologists recommend mixing apple juice with other, such as carrot juice or grape. Onion. Few people know that the husk, even more than the onion itself, is rich in various useful substances. It contains vitamin A, E, C, P, group B, quercetin, phytoncides, potassium, calcium and iron. The healing qualities of onions have been known since ancient times, and onion peels can be used for treatment. Onion infusion is a source of a usual substance called quercetin, which is a natural cure for many ailments. This substance has the following properties: antioxidant, reduces the permeability of cell membranes and stops the process of aging of the body, strengthens the myocardium, is able to restore the ocular cornea, is used in the treatment of glaucoma and cataracts. Antihistamines, reduces the manifestation of allergies. Antisclerotic, cleans blood vessels. Hypotensive, reduces blood pressure. Cardioprotective, helps the heart muscle. Immunostimulating, fights viruses and bacteria. Regenerative, accelerates the process of tissue repair and healing. In medicine, quercetin is known as a substance that reduces the risk of heart attack, stroke and blood clots. For prevention of many diseases, you can use food of the main sources of quercetin: buckwheat, decoctions of onion and garlic husks, black and green tea, onions, citrus fruits and many other products. Onion peels tea eliminates headaches, lowers blood pressure, removes substances that provoke heart disease from the body, has a beneficial effect on eyes and vision, stops the process of deterioration of vision, relieves leg cramps, improves the condition of the skin, hair, nails, and general appearance. Dandelion. Dandelion juice able to regulate metabolic processes. It also includes proteins, sugars, choline, flavor accensin, sterols, minerals manganese, potassium, magnesium, iron, phosphorus, sulfur, sodium, calcium, iodine, vitamins B2, C, DPAE. In dandelion juice, many polyunsaturated fatty acids and carotenoids, which makes it extremely good for the eyes. Dandelion juice has many health benefits. It is pain reliever, tonic, diuretic, antispasmodic. With regular use of dandelion juice, general well-being, intestines and stomach will work without interruption. The cholesterol level will decrease. Due to the light diuretic action, stabilizes blood pressure. Potassium helps the heart work. Antioxidants in the composition help clean the liver and blood vessels and protect the eyes from adverse effects. Thanks for watching this video to the end. Today we discussed a beneficial effect on the eyes and health in general of tomatoes, blackcurrant, apples, onions and dandelions. I hope it will help you. Subscribe to my channel and we'll see you again.